And as you talk about reminders, I've talked about this on the show, but I'll bring it up again. I have a little sticker here on my computer that says, "You are going to die." So for me, seeing that on a daily basis and thinking about death and having a healthy relationship with that is a big one for me
Mm,
to have gratitude over the present moment, to pull me back into the present and to live a happier life. At least it seems like that for me. So, talk about death. I know you got to go here, but I want to end on this. Talk about death and how we can use that to our advantage, and how much does our happiness revolve around having a healthy relationship with death?
yeah, the Israeli philosopher Shimon Azulai has inscribed on tattooed on his hand um, the phrase in Latin that he's going to die, that it's all temporary. And he has it for the exact same reason, Jesse, that you just mentioned, to remind him of how precious life is. And just to take it to pop culture, I just finished watching um, 2 days ago The Good Place, which has really been one of my favorite all time um, TV series. And there, one of the big take homes is the importance of the finality of life, or for the fact that we don't live forever, and this is what gives our life meaning. Now we're all tempted to, or even want to, live forever, and there's a lot of science going into that, helping us live longer and hopefully, well, for some, uh, indefinitely. However, the fact that there is an end in sight makes provides us with meaning. There is research by Irvin Yalom, who is a psychiatrist emeritus at Stanford, where he interviewed people who were terminally ill. And these are people who have, 3 to 6 months to live. And the things that he heard from them very often were along the line of, for the first time in a very long time, I truly appreciate my life. For the first time in a very long time, I truly appreciate my wonderful and amazing, family, or myself, or a meal that I'm having. And they become very wise in their last few months because they realize that life is really short. Now, imagine if we could have that, and I guess you have that reminder of telling us, look, life is short. Make the most of it. Don't waste it, for example, on doing things that others are um, 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 think that are right for you. Do things that you think are right for you. Life is too short to conform. Life is too short, as Henry David Thoreau said. Life is too short to be in a hurry. So savor, enjoy, appreciate what you have. And one of the things that turns this wisdom key on, the wisdom key that leads to more appreciation, is knowing that it's going to end.